Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tom Spark. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about which VPNs work with Prime Video. Now, there are only 4 VPNs out there that I've tested that actually work with Prime Video. I've taken a look at around 30 VPNs this year in 2019 and checked out each VPN's compatibility with each streaming service, and only 4 actually work. Some of the leading VPN providers out there that are quite expensive actually don't work with Prime Video, so this video will be very helpful for those who want to watch Prime Video if you're outside the United States of America, since Prime Video is only available for US citizens. Alright guys, so fortunately these 4 VPNs that I've found working are actually quite affordable. Not only that, each one of these VPNs actually works with the other streaming services as well. So each VPN works with Netflix, Prime Video, BBC iPlayer, and Hulu, which is very cool. Not only that, most of these VPNs are actually pretty good VPN providers and rated decently in my VPN tier list on vpntierlist.com. Alright guys, so why should you watch Prime Video? Well, if you haven't heard, it's got some of the best TV shows out there. It's got Jack Ryan and The Boys. The Boys almost is worth a subscription alone. It's one of the best superhero shows in my opinion. It really breaks the mold of superhero shows. It kind of goes against the grain, and it's dark and it's gritty and it's awesome to watch. It's very twisty, and it's very good at upsetting the traditional superhero narrative, so it's very good to watch. Not only that, you have Jack Ryan and plenty of other shows to watch on Prime Video that is worth, the subscription. So guys, first of all, we want to talk about Torgo VPN. So Torgo VPN is an excellent streaming VPN provider. It's kind of unique from other VPNs out there in that you actually access these services by using what is called streaming IPs. Now, Torgo used to be more expensive than some other options out there, around $9 a month, which would kind of add up over the year. But finally, they actually made a streaming bundle, which is only $60 a year with my promo code NETFLIX. Not only that, if you buy 2 years for around $100, you can actually get a free VPN router, which means you can actually watch Prime Video on your TV or any other internet-connected device. This is probably the best way to unblock Prime Video, no questions asked. So guys, basically what you're going to do is pick the annual bundle. I think this is the best plan here, although you can do $11 a month as well. So you're going to add it to cart and check out, and then you're going to enter in the promotional code NETFLIX. So this is going to make it $60 a year, which is an insane value. You're getting 2 streaming IPs, which means you could pick a US streaming IP and even a UK streaming IP to watch BBC iPlayer, or if you want to watch the Japanese version of Netflix or something like that, you can also pick a Japanese IP. So guys, once you do this, you're going to be paying around $61 a year, and if you're familiar with Torgo's original anonymous VPN plan, it's $60 a year. Original without my promo code, so that's going to be $30 a year with promo code TomSpark. So $30 a year for VPN core service and $60 a year that includes the VPN and streaming options. So this option is an insane deal with my promo code. Normally it's around $22 a month or $122 a year, so it's going to be 50% off. This is probably the best way to unblock Prime Video in my opinion, and it's definitely one of the favorites in my community. Next up guys, we have Viper VPN. Viper VPN is my number 2 rated VPN, and it's very secure and very private and a pretty good company overall. Viper VPN doesn't have any of the complexity of streaming IPs and stuff like that, so in some ways it might be user friendly. You can just kind of jump in and access these services by picking the selected servers. Now, you're not going to have the security of streaming IPs, which means that at some point down the line you might have to choose different servers or talk to customer support in case the servers you've been using on the app have been blocked. Overall though, this is a very good VPN option, and while you don't get the streaming IPs, which means it's not quite as good of a deal in my opinion, it is still $60 a year, and you still can get the same access with Prime Video, Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. Overall, a very solid option. Next up on the list is Private VPN, and Private VPN is going to be pretty similar to Viper VPN in that it just requires the basic app to use it. So Private VPN is also going to be around $50 to $60 a year, and it provides access to all the streaming services. Now, this isn't as highly rated as a VPN as Viper VPN and Torgo VPN. I think the team management here has a little bit of snark, and the customer support might not be the best. I've heard that for some of my community as well. So it might be hit or miss here, but it does work with Prime Video, and it could be something worth checking out. Now, VPN Unlimited is another VPN that works with Prime Video, Hulu, Netflix, and BBC iPlayer. It's only $60 a year as well, and it's a pretty solid VPN in terms of speed and its streaming compatibility. Now, it doesn't have the best privacy policy, and it's not as highly of a rated VPN as in terms of Viper VPN or Torgo, but it's still a good streaming VPN in my opinion. Alright guys, if you like this video, let me know down in the comments down below. These are the 4 VPNs that I've tested that work with Prime Video and all the other streaming providers. Check where each VPN ranks on VPNtierlist.com. You could see every streaming compatibility in the VPN tier list comparison table, and this is where you're going to see all the streaming compatibility. So in some ways you didn't even need this video. You could have just clicked on my VPNtierlist.com and seen every single compatibility with every single VPN. Pretty useful, right? So you could see, let's say, VPN City works with Netflix. ExpressVPN, where is that? Somewhere around here. Works with Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, Perfect Privacy, Netflix. NordVPN works with Netflix and Hulu, so on. Anyways guys, thanks for checking out this video. Click the links down in the description down below if you want to help support the channel, or visit VPNtierlist.com, and I'll see you again very soon.